Katipa, ito ang You Learn, Alanis Morissette. So, magiging madali lang ang chords kung gagamit tayo ng kapo. Lalagay sa first fret. Okay? Alright? Mag-start na tayo. Okay? Hindi komplikado ang palipat-lipat. Mag-uumpisa ka sa G. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Lipat. So, ayun, ang strumming mo. Tulad ng mga itinuturo ko, yung i-tempo mo muna, yung maraming down-up muna ang iyong pagpraktisan. Okay? So, 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ganun. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So, 4 ng 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tapos, lipat. Okay? Ganyan, nasanayin mo hanggang sa kaya mo nang ibahin yon, yung down, up, babawasan mo na. So, for example, ito. Diba? So, from down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, nabawasan mo na, pero ganun pa rin ang ginagawa mo. Pero, hindi mo na pinapatamaan yung paminsan-minsan, hindi mo na pinatatamaan yung strings. So, ayun, dun lalabas yung magiging pattern mo. Gets? So, hindi yan strumming pattern. Yan ay practice ng strumming. So, nababawasan, nagiging masarap pakinggan yung strumming mo kasi sanay ka sa tempo. Okay, kahit bawas yan, gumaganon pa rin yung ano mo, down up pa rin yung kamay mo. Diba? Ang first, intro, pati, okay, G. Then F. Okay, ulit. Kung gusto nyo mag F major 7, pwede na rin F major 7. Pero maganda F talaga eh. So, pwedeng ganito oh. F major 7, pero tatakpan mo. Tatakpan mo ang first string sa first fret. Yan. Okay, pero okay na rin yun. F major 7 sa mga nahihirapan sa barko. Okay? Again. Intro, 1, G. And then F. Ulit. And then, kakanta. Ganun pa rin ang chords. I recommend getting your heart troubled on. Ganun pa rin ang chords. G and F. Okay? To anyone. Alright? I recommend getting your heart troubled on to anyone. Yeah. I recommend walking around naked in your living room. Susundin mo ba yung recommendation? And then, pre-chorus, swallow it down. C. Swallow it. Okay? C, D. Puro C, D. Okay? C at D. Hanggang sa mag-chorus. Again. Swallow it down. What a jagged little pill. It feels so good. Swimming in your stomach. Wait until the dust settles. Tama ba yung pagkanta ko? Anyway. Settles. Ewan ko. Ang hirap isabay yun. Chorus na tayo. Settles. G. Okay. G. 2, 3, 4, and then E minor 7. Ganito E minor 7 na ipapagawa ko sa'yo. Meron dito, naka-steady yung, naka-third fret palagi yung yung dalawang string sa baba, naka-third fret palagi, ang sarap pakinggan. Okay? So again, G, tapos E minor 7, tapos D, actually D sus. O, diba? Tapos, C at 9. Ulit. Ganon ang chorus. Katipa. Okay? You live, you learn, you love. you learn, you cry, you learn, you lose, you learn, you bleed, you learn, you scream, you learn. And then, naturoan na kita, verse ulit, G and F. Okay? Ganun lang din yan. I recommend biting off more than you can chew to anyone. I certainly do. I recommend sticking your foot in your mouth at any time. Feel free. Then another refrain. Throw it down, caution blocks you from the wind. Hold it on to race. You wait and see when the smoke clear. Then another chorus. Okay? Here's you live, you learn, you love, you learn, you cry, you learn, you lose, you learn, you bleed, you learn, you scream, you learn. Hi. Oh, parang doon. Paano yan? Oh, bridge tayo, bridge. Actually, ito ay B flat C G. Okay naman. Okay, pero gato na lang. Ang sarap pakinggan, ang dali pa. Wag na natin gawin yung chord na BC. Ang gawin natin habang naka G. Steady ka sa G, edi ganyan yung G mo. Ang gagawin mo, pagagapangin mo from 6th string 3rd fret, and then open 5th string, and then saka mo patutunugin yung notang B flat. Ayan, kita mo yan. So 5th string 1st fret, and then saka mo gagawin yung C add 9. Okay, then babalik ka sa G, pinakang G na talaga. Okay, bong bong bong. So yun ang gapang, 6th string 3rd fret, open 5th string, and then 5th string 1st fret, and then C add 9, then G, bom 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 bom, and then strum mo in G. So kung nahihirapan ka, kasi ako dire-diretso, di ba, down up, pwede naman puro down lang, ganun. Pagka hindi ka pa sanay. Pang beginner. Okay? Alright. So yun lang, nadagdag. And then babalik ko lang sa final pre-chorus and last chorus mas mahaba. Okay? Hi. Okay? Isa pa, diba? Malapit na. Ito na. Pre-chorus. Wear it out the way a 3-year-old would do. Melt it down. You're gonna have to eventually anyway. The fire trucks are coming up. The fire trucks are coming up around the bend. You live, you learn, you love, you learn, you cry, you learn, you lose, you learn, you bleed, you learn, you scream, you learn. Isa pa. another chorus. Kumbaga, panibagong lyrics to. You grieve, you learn, you choke, you learn, you laugh, you learn, you choose, you learn, you pray, you learn, you ask, you learn, you live, you learn. Tigil yun doon sa C. Okay? Tigil yung kanta roon. Yun, ganun. O, diba? Alanis Morissette, You Learn. Barrington here. Wapir!